Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hut. Today's topic is logo design. So let's start and make a logo. I will show you in this template with logo and the new design. So let's start there and go for the logo. First of all, I will design here the logo. Then on inside here, then I will change its color and its color will finally then I will show you the more things. So first of all, make a logo. For the logo, we have to take pen tool. Uh, okay, I will take this type of mm, yes. I will sorry. Mm, I will take this type. Yes, yes, it's okay. And then okay, 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 okay. Now let's see how it look like. I think it's look pretty good, and I will. Oh, I sorry. This is one, and I will make here another. Or first of all, I will work on it. Okay. Now, how it look like? I think it's look not good. So I will design a more things. Sorry. Yeah. I think this is good. This is good for this is better than this. So I will take this and I will delete this. So for the reason I will copy of it and and yeah, make this. So I will join this here. Okay, join this here and make it okay. and this. Okay, this and this. Okay, I will change this color. Which I will go for the mm, which color I will go for the linear gradient, and now I will make here a things for is 50 degree. Yes, I'll make it 50. Sorry, I think there is some mistake. Mm, I will go for this gradient. No, this, and I will make a color of it. Make a color of it. Which color will be the perfect here? I will. I'll take this color, and here I'll take this. Sorry. I'll take this color, and here I'll take this color. Okay. Then I'll go for it. Sorry. I'll go for this, and here, and this. How it look like, and I will decrease its stroke. So here, how it look like. I think it's look pretty, and I will make it on backward. So on backward. Sorry. I will arrange it on back. Sorry. Yes, it's good, and its color. Its color should be the, you know, blue, and its I will remove its opacity, which would be the, sorry. Here you can see I made a logo of inside it, and how it look like. I think it's look pretty good, and I will change here its color. Its color should be the red. Its color should be the red, and its color I will decrease its stroke, and its color should be the black. Should be the black, and this color should be the red. And here you can see, and its stroke should be the black, and its stroke should be the red one. And now you can see how it look like. I think it's look pretty good here. And I just, you can see I just changed here something, some color of it, and make a logo here. You can see here, this is a logo of my design heart, and I change here its color and cover page color and design the all things, how it improved. You can see, and I will show you the more things on the next class. And till then, Allah Hafiz, and thank you all to subscribe my channel. Assalamu alaikum.